Common products used for lake management. If you own or manage a property that includes a body of standing water, like a lake or pond, you need to prepare yourself for the special maintenance needs that your water feature requires. Without careful treatment, stagnant water can cause a range of problems for your property's local ecosystem and even hurt your land's value. Learning about the common types of products you might need to keep your water clean and healthy will go a long way toward preparing you for wise lake and pond management, be it residential or commercial. A shopping list for lake management products. Even the smallest, shallowest body of stagnant water will need treatment to keep it clean and ensure the health of anything living in it. The following list of products should be considered absolute necessities for lake or pond management. Most can be purchased online or from businesses that handle lake management in your community. If you're unsure of what might suit your property the best, feel free to reach out to us and we'll help steer you in the right direction. Algaecides. In the right conditions, it's all too easy for algae to grow on your lake. Algae manifests as a green film covering the surface. This can pose a threat to plants and animals living in and around the water. Properly formulated algaecides will eliminate algae without making the water unhealthy. Aquatic herbicides. Some plants do your lake more harm than good. Invasive aquatic weeds thrive in damp conditions, and left unchecked, they can choke fish living in your lake. Get rid of unwanted plant life with an herbicide specifically designed to destroy harmful foliage down to the root. Insecticides and larvicides. Biting insects, particularly mosquitoes, can turn a picturesque lake into an unpleasant no-go area for human visitors. Use industrial insecticides that can clear large areas of pests and also prevent more from hatching in the future. Goose control. The idea of geese cruising on your pond is cute in theory, but the reality is that geese are messy and environmentally harmful. They can hurt the plants in and around your lake, and cleaning up their waste is an unpleasant chore. Instead of accommodating geese, use an animal-safe repellent product to keep them away. Please remember, it's illegal to manually remove or touch geese, as most are protected by the Wildlife Society. Only use non-harmful methods when handling geese, ducks, or other wildlife. Surfactants. If your pond tends to produce foamy residue on the surface, it's usually a sign of unwanted pollutants. You can use a surfactant to eliminate these contaminants and improve the quality of your water. It takes effort to keep your lake or pond healthy and attractive, but the results can be worth it. If you don't have the time to learn and practice lake management yourself, consider entrusting your water to a professional lake management specialist. Call us today if you have any questions about your pond, lake, or fountains. We offer bi-weekly maintenance, as well as annual aquatic services as needed for both residential properties, homeowner associations, apartment communities, and more.